published. It is called The Last of the Southern Winds. It is a novel by David Lewis, and the publishers were kind enough to let us have a copy before it is released on July 6th. It goes. That is, her eye is following her finger. All right, Louise, are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Louise, stop, if you please, if you will. 1 minute exactly. Now, she has read in 1 minute 27 pages of this book. Technique, which is called reading dynamics, was developed over 15 years by a former high school teacher who was constantly shocked by the slow reading of her students. And she is sitting in our audience tonight, Mrs. Evelyn Wood. Mrs. Wood, will you stand up and take a bow, please, just so we can see you? Mr. David Lewis. Mr. Lewis? Now, if anybody knows what this book is about, Mr. Lewis should be the final authority because he wrote it. Louise, will you take perhaps a minute here to explain to him what happened in the first 27 pages, and then if you will either verify or deny according to the facts.
May I say that this is an excellent book. I really enjoyed it. It's fiction. It's The Last of the Southern Winds, and it takes place in Key West. It's a very remote and very sophisticated, very beautiful place. It tells the story of Carl Solon, who is introduced, and he goes along, he's going just thinking. That's what he does in most of the first chapter. He's going to a friend of his house, and he finds, instead of his friend, a girl named Jenny, who had silver dangle bracelets hanging on her arm. She had nice suntan, real pretty. And he describes the beauty of the water, the beauty of the palms and the thrashing winds and leaves, and talks about Ben and the other friends that are around there. It seems as though he's going to introduce them. I sort of got interested, and then I was stopped all of a sudden.
Well, I think that we will give you a copy of this book. I'm sure David Lewis will autograph it for you. Is that accurate, James?
That is accurate, Gary. It's very accurate indeed, and it took me a month to write what you read in 1 minute.
Congratulations, Mr. Lewis, on a fine book, and I hope it does well. Louise, I tell you you're incredible. You tell me it's the system. I'll have to take your word for it. Thank you ever so much for being with us tonight.